We'll guide you through how to remove background noise from audio. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we have an audio file and it's got a lot of background noise. Let me go and play it to you. Right now we're facing a lot of background noise, and so what I want to do is go and remove it. So to help this guide, we're going to do it. Let's do it. So you've heard there that it's got quite a lot of background noise. I find this to be quite distracting and it doesn't sound that good. So we're going to guide you through removing it and cleaning it up. What you need to do is open a web browser of your choice. Now, go and type in Adobe Audio Enhancer. Now you want to come to the Adobe Podcast option at the top. You want to go and sign up for an Adobe account for free or press sign in. I already have an account, which I'm going to go and use. After you successfully logged in Enhance, press choose files. Now, what you want to do is you want to go and find the file, select it and press open. Now go and wait for it to go and upload. It shouldn't go and take too long. When it completes, we can then play it back. You need to go and use the trial or pay to get the more advanced options, but it still sounds a lot better. You can go and press download, and now it's going to be on our computer. Let me go and drag it onto my desktop and play it back for you. Right now we're facing a lot of background noise, and so what I want to do is go and remove it. That goes and sounds much better. If you found this useful, then leave a like for more.